Hey yo guys, welcome back to my channel. You feel me? If you're new here, okay, wait. Welcome back to my channel. As you saw the title today, we're gonna watch how Yamal couldn't get his things right. You feel me? Okay, if you're new here to the channel, please subscribe for more content like this. Football, jokes, everything. You feel me? Subscribe, like, comment, and share will be much appreciated, gang. You feel me? Okay. Without any further ado, let's go. Hey, let's go. I won't lie, guys. Yamal really think he could cook me character. Like you said, he could. I will destroy my threat at the Bernabeu, whatever the stadium's name is, gang. You know what, gentlemen? I feel like Yamal is a good boy, but he needs to get rid of it too. You feel me? I don't want to know, I mean, like, Vinny was cooking him. Bro, good English there, the epic. I know the feeling. What I know the feeling. But I know you need to lose when you told you. When you told you what it was a winning game, you feel me? But it isn't that game, you feel me? Yamal, you were a child. Lamine won't destroy Lamine in 1v1. Facts. Don't argue with your granny's toes, man. The reason I would have also acted like Yamal because I thought I was going to get my dreads on to go cook them. Then they are cooking me. It's not much, sir. But you can't get angry if the home. What did you expect? Yapping session, fuck it. I'm not even reacting, but I'm commentating now, you feel me? Just to say it, dog. Okay, boys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Let's go. Yeah.